How do I create good trading habits? Stay tuned. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about how do I create good trading habits. So I've had a few emails regarding the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. If you haven't got that yet, go to my homepage, enter your name and email. It's an audio file. It goes through my daily routine, but it's designed at helping you shape a daily routine that's going to help you develop daily habits which are going to be congruent with the results that you want to achieve, not only in your trading but in your personal life. Charles Duhigg wrote The Power of Habit. It's a groundbreaking new book in describing why it is that people do what they do. And one of the things that Duhigg talks about is that every habit has 3 steps: the cue, the routine, and the reward. And so the cue obviously is the trigger that people have that starts that habit. So the habit could be something like getting dressed in the morning or brushing your teeth. And the routine of that is that where you've ritualized that it becomes ingrained into a daily discipline. And it usually requires little or no energy because when we routine these habits, it frees up the brain to do higher function or higher cognitive activities. So we can do this unconsciously almost as if you were walking in your sleep. And the third component is that it has a reward. Now when we apply this to trading, you can look at your daily routine, and I talk about this in the 7-step daily routine in terms of, number 1, I talk about creating a vision statement and a vision about who it is that you want to become. And the reason that we do that is that when you have a vision that's aligned with who it is that you want to become, not what or why, but who, the person that you want to become, the type of trader that you want to become. Mark Douglas talks about this in The Disciplined Trader. It's about creating that vision that will draw you forward day after day to be doing the right things with your trading. So some of the questions I've received, obviously people are coming at me from all different levels of trading, but one of the key aspects of, regardless of where you're at, you need to have a vision that's going to pull you forward to be doing the right things. And just with that, if you have, most of us already have a daily routine, regardless if it's congruent with the goals that you want or not, you already have a routine. And so you need to break that down and look at the results that you're currently getting in your trading. And if you're not happy with those results, you need to take a step back and look at recreating the routines and the preparation that have produced those results. Now we talk about the 3 M's: mindset, methodology, and money management. So people search for the Holy Grail. They spend endless amounts of time looking for the Holy Grail of entries and exit strategies, when the reality of it is the bulk of trading success comes from risk management and identifying asymmetrical reward to risk opportunities. So taking small losses and large winners. And that's not always, you obviously need an edge in how you're trading. But in terms of how that relates back to daily habits, we talk about goal setting. So you have your vision. We have mindset training. And the mindset training that I talk about, and I'm going to be posting one of these each week, different podcast interviews, videos, books that I read, articles or websites from different traders. My belief is that you can pick up, even if you pick up one little tidbit that tweaks your trading and your mindset to the next level, it's worth it. And so I believe that you need to be doing that on a daily basis, because that's the one thing that you need to protect. Your trading psychology, your psychological capital, your mindset, all of this is the one tool that you need to protect in order for you to be successful over the long term. Because it's the emotional roller coaster that will destroy your trading. The emotions of hope, greed, fear, pain, anger, desperation, frustration, all of those things that can occur when your trading is not going well, or if you're trading outside of your plan, or if you're trading emotionally, impulsively, and illogically. So creating these daily habits lead you back to 3 things. An accountability system for yourself. So number 1, when you have that daily routine, that's about exercise, goal setting, accelerated learning, your vision, your mindset training. These are the things that when you do them day in and day out, unconsciously develop discipline into your trading. And so if your focus is on risk management, if you understand that we all verbalize it, we talk about it, we read about it, but when you're trading, we don't all execute that. And when you really shift your thinking from entry and exits to risk management, your trading will really improve. And so creating an accountability system through your daily routines develops an unconscious discipline into your daily life to where it becomes normal. Whether it's exercise, your diet, nutrition, your training, your back testing, your accelerated learning, your position sizing, you got to do these all over and over and over again until that becomes normal, that you only are searching and identifying for trade opportunities that give you these asymmetrical risk rewards, and that your stop or your entry are just an order placement for you. So you're just entering orders. Journaling the quality of your preparation. So keeping a notebook of how you're preparing, or doing it on the computer. I'm using the Edgewonk. I'm going to do a video about that later this week. I'm blown away how much there is in that software, but it really enables you to start tracking how closely you're following your system, whether you're profitable or not. You might be profitable, but you've not followed your system, and I'll talk about that when I do the Edgewonk video. But brilliant software. Was your preparation good? What could you have done better? How could you have made more on your winning trades? How could you have lost less on your losing trades? How could you have managed a larger position on the entry by tightening your stops? Different things to assess and monitor based on your previous trading record, month to month, week to week, however you want to do that. The third component of that is creating an accountability system for yourself and externally. So obviously you're building that self accountability system through your daily routines. You're following you're doing mindset training daily. You're doing accelerated learning through your back testing and study of the markets. You're doing your preparation on a daily basis. You're exercising, your diet's good, your goal setting, all the things that, again, you're doing. You're developing those daily disciplines, which means to become a disciple of something higher than yourself, but you're aligning those daily routines with your goals with your trading. And then externally, having an accountability system to where you either report your trades to somebody who you have a certain degree of respect, or who's a mentor to you, preferably outside of your comfort zone, maybe somebody who's a bit older, or somebody that you trust, or somebody that you know is going to be honest and assess that for you, so that you have to, again, you may have had profitable trades, but you might have completely traded outside of your trading system, which ultimately will probably lead to the destruction of your trading account. So again, I'm huge on daily habits. Everything that you do is a habit. Taking losing trades regularly is a habit. Counter trend trading, emotional trading, averaging into losers, not using stops, taking too much leverage. All the things that destroy trading accounts are habits. So stay disciplined, stay focused, work on your daily routine, focus on constant progress, traders, and make the rest of your trading the best of your trading. Have a great trading week. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.